إن أعجبك الفيديو لا تنسى الإعجاب والاشتراك في القناة.
10
10
أمس، اليوم، غدا.
Yesterday, today, tomorrow.
Yesterday, today, tomorrow.
أمس كان السبت.
Yesterday was Saturday.
Yesterday was Saturday.
أمس كنت في السينما.
I was at the cinema yesterday.
I was at the cinema yesterday.
كان الفيلم مشوقا.
The film was interesting.
The film was interesting.
اليوم هو الأحد.
Today is Sunday.
Today is Sunday.
اليوم أنا لا أعمل.
I'm not working today.
I'm not working today.
سأبقى في البيت.
I'm staying at home.
I'm staying at home.
غدا الاثنين.
Tomorrow is Monday.
Tomorrow is Monday.
غدا سأعود للعمل مجددا.
Tomorrow I will work again.
Tomorrow I will work again.
أشتغل في المكتب.
I work at an office.
I work at an office.
من هذا؟
Who is that?
Who is that?
هذا بيتر.
That is Peter.
That is Peter.
بيتر طالب.
Peter is a student.
Peter is a student.
من هذه؟
Who is that?
Who is that?
هذه مارتا.
That is Martha.
That is Martha.
مارتا سكرتيرة.
Martha is a secretary.
Martha is a secretary.
بيتر ومارتا أصدقاء.
Peter and Martha are friends.
Peter and Martha are friends.
بيتر صديق مارتا.
Peter is Martha's friend.
Peter is Martha's friend.
مارتا صديقة بيتر.
Martha is Peter's friend.
Martha is Peter's friend.
أرجو أن تكونوا قد استفدتم من هذا الفيديو، ولا تنسوا الضغط على زر الإعجاب والاشتراك في القناة.